another thing to the Ego collection. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Tarte came out with a new brow product, and it is the Big Ego DIY brow detailing pen. I got one and I've been testing it out and trying it out. So there's some few things I have to say about it. Is it worth it? Maybe. So if you're interested in finding out a little bit more, stick around. And if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. Tarte came out with another item to go with their Big Ego collection. They already came out with the mascara and the pomade that I know of. There must be something else that I don't know. But they came out with now the DIY brow. It comes in 3 shades. And I got the darkest one, dark brown, which is for medium and dark brown hair. So that's me, more or less. Figured it'd be better to go that way. I was wondering about this medium tone, but I think it's a little too light for me, and it would really throw off my whole face. So I tend to try to gravitate a little bit more on the darker side for my features. For me, I'm just going to get the darkest one. Along with this pen, in a sense, because you have to shake it, they also came with a little spoolie. And thank you, Tarte, thank you. But I feel really kind of silly using this. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Anyway, I have used it. I've tried it out and see if it would work. I prefer something with longer handles so I can get a better grip, because I feel like this is just so little and puny. I'm sorry, Tarte. Thank you though. Thank you for letting me try this out. Anyway, I wanted to give a quick overview of what the product is, and I definitely wanted to test it out on camera to kind of show you how it works compared to my skin tone and how it matches to my hair color. Like I said, it's only 3 shades. It's not a very wide range. I was quite surprised by that. I know other brands tend to expand a little bit more and try to give at least a little more significant colors. Maybe Tarte will do that. I don't know if that's in the works or if that's something that they are planning to do later on. Maybe they just wanted to come out with 3 and then from there proceed to expand the line. So we're gonna see how it works, how it goes. So 1 second. I have notes. I'm sorry, they're written down. I will be quick with what I can give you, and then I will show you the demonstration, how I feel about it, and so on. So, like I said, the Tarte Big Ego DIY Brow Detailing Pen for $21. Comes in 3 shades. That's the number I should have done, not this. Vegan, dermatologist tested, and it is sweat and waterproof for what it claims to be 24 hours. I have not tried the 24 hours because I don't want to have it on for 24 hours. I am content trying it for a large period of time and then removing it. But if you are wanting to try it out for yourself and see if it will work for 24 hours, you are more than welcome to do that. They also say that if you really wanted to, you can use this to make faux freckles. Okay. The 2 ingredients that they mention that are in this product is tea tree oil and vitamin E. And I was curious about why these 2 ingredients were in there. And the tea tree oil is to nourish and to soften, and the vitamin E is an antioxidant and to soothe the skin. And it is an antioxidant, like I said. It protects the effects of harmful, protects the skin and keeps it in balance. And there was something else that I noticed when I was looking on it and reviewing it, that vitamin E tends to be more of a vitamin that's better for a nighttime routine, kind of like a retinol in a sense. I'm sure it's even along those lines. I have no idea. I'm just going off of what I know and reading and reviewing for this specifically. I am curious now that I mentioned this, but anyway, vitamin E tends to be more of a supplement or an ingredient to use in your skin, preferably better more towards the night. Again, this is just something that I've been looking into. You can use vitamin E during the day. However, I've noticed if you try to use this in your skin and then layer on top of it, that it will not let the stuff kind of absorb into your skin as well, which is why I also noticed that vitamin E so it's on the bottom list of the ingredients. The tea tree oil seems to be more in the front or the beginning part of the ingredients list, which, oh gosh. This was another thing too that I noticed, that their ingredients list on the packaging versus what's on the site does not match. Why that matters to me very much about what's in here and the order it is because what's used the most or what's a higher concentration of a certain ingredient is basically on the top or the beginning of the list. And then the least amount of something that is used in a product is on the bottom. So halfway through this list, it tends to just jumble over. So I'm a little concerned about what exactly is how much of each thing. It may not make a difference, sure, but I still would like to see consistency in a product and in their ingredients list. On top of that, there is one ingredient that is on the site that is not on the package. So is the ingredient not necessarily being used? Or if it is, why it's not on the package? Can you tell me that, Tarte? I'm kind of confused about that. Now, the colorings, I wish I looked a little bit further into it, but it was quite surprising to see how it didn't match packaging versus site. So that's just something I noticed right away and definitely just kind of was a bit of a red flag to me. Anyway, that is just something that I noticed while researching and looking up this product. So now that I've rambled on, I figured I'd show you now how it works. So I've already done my makeup. I've done my face makeup in a sense. I haven't done my brows, obviously, because I'm going to demonstrate with you, but I also haven't done my eye makeup. So I just wanted to just show how it works with everything else on my face. Now, when I was trying out this product, it reminded me of another product I had with me, which is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. And the consistency, I feel, just trying it out, I wasn't thrilled about trying this, mostly because it's a stain. So the stain doesn't necessarily stay put, whereas this one did. It was a lot more defined, this Tarte brow product versus the Urban Decay. So if you are wanting something a little more stable and you want to try something new, definitely you can see how this works for you. I did notice definitely strokes. You can tell with this one, like I said, you need to shake it too. Maybe put it on the lid would be good. So you want to shake it. It says for about 10 minutes to kind of activate it, and I'm assuming to maybe blend everything together. I have no idea. This is all under assumption, of course. And when you see it, you can see that it's more of a blade, very like just a blade in itself. And it has a really defined tip, which is really nice. So you can kind of just see where it goes. There is like bristles in here. Like I'm gonna make a mess by doing this, but I'm gonna be gentle here. But yeah, you can kind of see that there are bristles. So it's really a brush in a sense. And I was really testing it out to kind of see if it would give me strokes, which it does. They're very light. Like I said, this is the third shade, the darkest one. Not the most like fine, thin brush strokes in a sense, but you definitely will get some kind of brow effect to it. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to get this little spoolie and I'm going to brush my brow hairs up here. I'm going to do it on this side so you can kind of see a difference with what I use on this brow versus the other one. So I'm just gonna do little strokes here. You definitely need a very light hand. I mean, the fact that it's kind of like bristles instead of an actual just solid, I don't know, tip in a sense. I mean, I guess it's okay. I'm not like thrilled about it. You definitely can make some really nice hair-like strokes. Like I said, you just need a very, very light hand. And already, just really quick, you can kind of definitely tell a difference. So it's definitely more of a natural brow, for sure. If this is something that is more to your liking, not so much a defined brow, but more a natural one. I'm more of a natural girl. I kind of like that more than a defined. Not to say that defined brows are terrible, but if this is something more in your wheelhouse or something that you would prefer, you can definitely do that. Again, it's still a little too light for me, even this color itself. And already I need to shake it and get some more out. That's the other thing too. You kind of have to shake it again to get more product to come out, and then continue back on with defining your brow. I'm really hoping Tarte will come out with some other shades. I kind of would like it if it came out with a darker shade. So you can kind of see right there already a difference in my brows. I was also playing it the other day, and I just for fun I let it dry down, of course, for a little bit, and then I tried to smudge it and it didn't budge. So there is that. I mean, you can definitely tell that my brow is filled in for sure. It's definitely a lot more natural. It's not a terrible product. It's not. I do wish though, like I said, maybe they come out with a darker shade, almost a brown black, instead of a dark brown in a sense. But it's not terrible. It's not to say that it wouldn't work well for me. It does. You can definitely tell it tends to blend into the brow for sure. Like I said, I just kind of wish it was a little bit darker for me. 3 shades is not enough. I kind of would like something else. So anyway, I figured I would just give a quick review and just share with you exactly how it works, how I feel about it, and if this is something that would be of interest to you. As far as I know, this may change. As far as I know, they're offering free shipping specifically for this product. They may offer free shipping for other stuff too. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But the last time I checked, they were offering free shipping for this product itself. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would strongly suggest you jump on that and get it yourself and try it out and see how it works for you. So I definitely hope you enjoyed this review, this little tutorial, and hopefully you got an insight a little bit more about the product itself. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you're having, a great day, a great week, great weekend. We're already halfway through October. We're doing awesome. I hope you're doing great. I hope you have a wonderful day, great evening. And I love you. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.